In this video, I'll show you how to use ClickFunnels for coaching and mentoring to attract clients, deliver value, and scale your business. Step 1. Build a lead generation funnel. Offer a free resource like a guide, mini class, or webinar to capture email addresses from potential clients. Step 2. Create a booking or application page. Use ClickFunnels to let prospects schedule a discovery call, strategy session, or consultation with you directly. Step 3. Design a high-converting coaching sales page. Highlight your packages, program benefits, client testimonials, and clear pricing so prospects understand the value. Step 4. Add seamless payment integration. Connect Stripe or PayPal so clients can pay immediately when they book or enroll in your program. Step 5. Automate follow-ups. Set up email sequences or nurture deals. Remind them of upcoming sessions or upsell additional coaching programs. And that's how you can use ClickFunnels for coaching and mentoring, from lead capture to payment, all automated to save time and grow your business. Thank you so much for watching.